Molweni Bafundi, video 22, and here we are now going to look at some negative expressions dealing with not wanting to do and not liking things or to do things. So first of all then, ukungafuni, to not want or not want to do. Ufuna ikofu, do you want coffee? Hayi, andifuni kofu. Ufuna ikofu? Hayi, andifuni kofu. Ufuna amanzi, water? Hayi, andifuni, enkosi. Andifuni, enkosi. Ufuna ukulala? Do you want to lie down? Hayi, andifuni kulala, enkosi. Ufuna ukuya evenkileni? Hayi, andifuni kuya, enkosi. This little section teaches us that if the question begins with ufuna ... do you want? And the answer is no, you would say andifuni. Andifuni, I don't want. Let's move on to a third person, he or she. Umama ufuna iti? Does mom want some tea? Hayi, akafuni, enkosi. No, she does not want any, thanks. Umntwana, the child, ufuna ukutya? Does the child want some food? Hayi, akafuni kutya. No, she does not want any food. Kutheni uThemba engafundi nje? Just a question. Why does Themba not study? Akafuni, he does not want to. Uyanqena, he is lazy. Uyanqena, he is lazy. Kutheni umntwana elila nje? Why is the child crying? Akafuni, he or she does not want ukuya, to go esikolweni, to school, ngomso, tomorrow. This little section teaches us that the question ufuna, does he or she want, would be answered in the negative with hayi, akafuni. So andifuni, I don't want. Akafuni, he or she does not want. Moving on to the plural, they. Abantwana bafuna ukugoduka? Do the children want to go home? Hayi, abafuni kugoduka ngoku. Abafuni kugoduka ngoku. They don't want to go home now. Kutheni abafundi betshona nje? Why are the students failing? Abafuni kufunda. They don't want to learn. Abazali bafuna ukuya ngeteksi? Do the parents want to go by taxi? Hayi, abafuni. Kutheni abantu bengena mali nje? Why do the people not have any money? Abafuni kusebenza. They do not want to work. So bafuna, they do want. Abafuni, they don't want. So the three negative forms we had were andifuni, I don't want. Akafuni, he or she does not want. And abafuni, they do not want. What about not liking things? Ukungathandi, to not like. The question, zeziphi izinto ongazithandiyo? A bit of a mouthful, but here it is again. Zeziphi, which are they? Izinto, the things, ongazithandiyo, that you do not like. Andithandi khaphetshu. I don't like cabbage. Andithandi peanut butter. I don't like peanut butter. Andithandi kubukela iTV. I don't like watching TV. Andithandi kudlala midlalo. I don't like playing sport. Andithandi kufunda incwadi. I don't like reading a book. Kodwa, but ndithanda ukumamela umculo. But I like listening to music. So ndithanda, I do like. Andithandi, I don't like. Bukela, watch as in TV. Dlala, play as in sport. Funda, read. Mamela, listen. Umculo, music. Moving on to the things which he or she does not like. Question. Zeziphi, which are they? Izinto, the things. Utata angazithandiyo, that dad does not like. Akathandi kuhamba nge-aeroplane. Akathandi kuhamba nge-aeroplane. He does not like traveling by plane. Akathandi kuchaya. He does not like smoking. Akathandi kuvuka ekuseni. He does not like getting up early in the morning. Akathandi kucheba ingca. He does not like mowing the lawn or cutting the grass. Akathandi kuhlamba izitya. He does not like washing the dishes. Kodwa, but uthanda ukubukela ezemidlalo. He likes to watch sport. So the vocab, hamba nge-aeroplane, traveling by plane. Ukuchaya, to smoke. Ukuvuka ekuseni, to get up early. Ukucheba ingca, to mow the lawn. Kuhlamba izitya, to wash the dishes. Kubukela ezemidlalo, to watch sport. And uthanda, he does like, becomes akathandi, he or she does not like. So ndithanda, andithandi, that refers to me. Uthanda, akathandi, that refers to what he or she likes and does not like. Moving on to what they like and do not like. Zeziphi izinto. What are the things that abantwana, the children, do not like? Abathandi kusebenza endlini or endlwini. They do not like working in the house. Abathandi kulala emva kwesopholo or emva kokutya isopholo. They don't like going to bed literally after eating supper or early. Abathandi kwenza umsebenzi wesikolo ekhaya. They do not like kwenza, doing, umsebenzi wesikolo, schoolwork, ekhaya, at home. Abathandi kuvuka ebusika. They don't like getting up in the winter. Abathandi kuhamba isikolo. They do not like going to school. Kodwa, but bathanda ukuthenga impahla ezintsha. They like to buy new clothes. So bathanda, they do like, will become abathandi, they don't like. And the key vocabulary, ukusebenza endlini, to work in the house. ukulala emva kokutya isopholo, to go to bed after eating supper, ukwenza umsebenzi wesikolo, to do schoolwork, ukuvuka ebusika, to get up in the winter, ukuhamba isikolo, to go to school, ukuthenga impahla, to buy clothes, or to ukuthenga impahla ezintsha, to buy new clothes. And we had andithandi, I don't like, akathandi, he or she does not like, and abathandi, they do not like. So that concludes this particular video, and a revision exercise will follow. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi.